Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Redo channel. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we have my lovely daughter, Lily, with me.
Hi, everyone.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important and fun, household chores.
Yes, I like helping at home.
That's wonderful, Lily. And our listeners can learn English while talking about daily chores at home. We will learn new words, sentences, and practice speaking.
I'm ready, Mom.
Great. Let's start.
Morning chores. Every morning, we start our day with small chores. Lily, what do you do first when you wake up?
I make my bed.
Perfect! Making your bed is an important habit. Repeat after me. I make my bed every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
Good job! Now, I like to clean my room a little. I pick up clothes, organize things, and dust the shelves.
I can help you dust too.
Yes, dusting is very easy. We just use a duster or a soft cloth. Say this sentence. I dust the shelves every day.
I dust the shelves every day.
Wonderful! Then we go to the bathroom. What do you do there, Lily?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Exactly! Brushing teeth and washing your face are also important chores. Repeat. I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my face every morning.
I wash my face every morning.
Perfect pronunciation, Lily! Kitchen chores. After morning routines, it's time to go to the kitchen. I usually prepare breakfast. Can I help? Of course. You can set the table. Setting the table is a simple but helpful chore. Say this. I set the table before breakfast.
I set the table before breakfast.
Great! I cook eggs and toast. Cooking is an important chore. You can say, I help cook breakfast.
I help cook breakfast.
After breakfast, we clean the dishes. Washing dishes is a daily chore for everyone. Repeat. I wash the dishes after breakfast.
I wash the dishes after breakfast.
Perfect! And sometimes we wipe the table. Can you say, I wipe the table after eating?
I wipe the table after eating.
Excellent, Lily. You're learning very fast. Living room chores. Next, we move to the living room. It's important to keep this room clean. I like to pick up toys here. Yes, picking up toys is a chore too. Repeat. I pick up my toys every day. I pick up my toys every day. Good! Now we sweep or vacuum the floor. This helps keep the room tidy. Repeat this sentence. I sweep the floor every day. I vacuum the carpet every day. I sweep the floor every day. I vacuum the carpet every day. Excellent! Sometimes we also dust the furniture. Say this. I dust the furniture every day. I dust the furniture every day. You are doing very well, Lily. Feeding and caring for pets.
All right, Lily. We've talked about cleaning and cooking chores, but there's another kind of chore that's full of love, taking care of our pets.
Yes, I love feeding our dog, Max.
That's right. Feeding pets is an important responsibility. It teaches kindness and care. Can you say this? I feed my pet every morning and evening.
I feed my pet every morning and evening.
Perfect. What do you do first when you feed Max?
I put his food in the bowl and give him clean water.
Excellent. Let's make 2 more practice sentences. I give my dog food and water. I clean my pet's bowl.
I give my dog food and water. I clean my pet's bowl. Beautifully said. Sometimes we also brush his fur or take him for a walk. Yes, walking Max is my favorite chore.
That's a fun one. Repeat after me. I walk my dog every day.
I walk my dog every day.
Wonderful. Pets need care, love, and time. So feeding and walking them are special chores.
Laundry chores. After cleaning the living room, we do laundry. This is an important household chore. I like helping with laundry. Yes, we wash clothes, dry them, and fold them. Repeat after me. I wash the clothes every week. I wash the clothes every week. I dry the clothes after washing. I dry the clothes after washing. I fold the clothes neatly. I fold the clothes neatly. Wonderful! Laundry is not difficult if we do a little every day. Ironing clothes. Now, let's talk about another useful chore, ironing clothes. That's something I want to learn. Good. But remember, ironing is only for grown-ups or older kids with help. It can be hot and needs care. I'll watch you first, Mom. Excellent idea. So first, we take clean, dry clothes. Then we plug in the iron and wait for it to get warm. We say, I iron the clothes carefully. I iron the clothes carefully. Very good. When the iron is ready, we move it gently on the shirt or dress. Repeat. I smooth out the wrinkles. I smooth out the wrinkles. Perfect. And after ironing, we hang or fold the clothes neatly. Say this. I hang the clothes after ironing. I fold the clothes after ironing. I hang the clothes after ironing. I fold the clothes after ironing. Excellent! Ironing helps clothes look clean and fresh. It's one of those chores that makes you feel proud. Evening chores. In the evening, we prepare dinner. Lily, can you help?
Yes, I can wash vegetables.
Perfect. Washing vegetables is a very important chore. Repeat. I wash vegetables before cooking.
I wash vegetables before cooking.
Then, after dinner, we clean the kitchen again, like washing dishes and wiping counters. Repeat these sentences. I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wipe the kitchen counters.
I wipe the kitchen counters.
Excellent. Finally, we put things in their places, like books, toys, and kitchen items. Say this: I put things in their place every evening.
I put things in their place every evening.
Review time. Let's review all the chores we talked about today. Repeat after me. I make my bed every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face every morning. I set the table before breakfast. I help cook breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wipe the table after eating. I pick up my toys every day. I sweep the floor every day. I vacuum the carpet every day. I dust the furniture every day. I wash the clothes every week. I dry the clothes after washing. I fold the clothes neatly. I wash vegetables before cooking. I wipe the kitchen counters. I put things in their place every evening. I repeated all the sentences, Mom. Excellent, Lily. You learned so many new words and sentences today. And our listeners also practiced speaking English.
Caring for a little sister, Mia.
Now, let's talk about helping with your little sister, Mia.
I like helping her play and read books.
That's very sweet. Caring for a younger sibling is a big responsibility, too. Repeat after me. I help my little sister every day. I help my little sister every day. Good job. What other things do you do to help her? I help her eat, and sometimes I help her clean up her toys. That's lovely. Let's make some short practice sentences. I help my sister eat her food. I help my sister eat her food. I help my sister clean up her toys. I help my sister clean up her toys. I read stories to my sister. I read stories to my sister. Wonderful, Lily. You are such a caring big sister.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Taking care of family is also a kind of household chore. It's about love and teamwork. Thank you for joining us today on English Redo. Don't forget to help your family at home and practice your English. Yes, speak slowly, clearly, and use these new sentences every day. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone. Stay kind, stay clean, and keep learning English with English Redo.